Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I've got a mystery box for you, and it is from Colourpop. It is their Winter Wonder box. It was $29, I believe. I don't think it's available anymore, but I've been wanting to get a mystery box for them from them for a while, and so I did. I'm a little bit scared to open it though, because I haven't watched anybody else's unboxings, but their thumbnails don't look promising.
There's a lot of ones like this.
So I don't know if this is going to be a good one or not, so we shall see.
On.
We haven't photographed the thumbnail yet, so we shall see. We shall see. I think there's supposed to be 9 full-size items in here. I did add an item so I could hit the free shipping, which, well, you know how it goes. Okay, let us see what is inside one. Okay. Alright, it says Colourpop with love from California on the inside.
California.
And it says they are 100% cruelty free. On the outside it said beauty that doesn't break the bank. Colourpop is very affordable.
It's not a good sign.
Okay, I hope this isn't one of the 9 items.
Those are clearly full-size stickers.
Okay, we've got some Hello Kitty stickers here. And,
Yeah,
okay, that's cute. And then we have got some, what are these?
Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff Girls, barrettes,
Okay.
I guess you can call them. That's cute.
And you're going to be fighting with our daughter over those, right? Yeah, there you are.
And this is the thing that I ordered. It was the Colourpop light sticks, and it is in the color Sky Watcher, and it is a cream highlighter. I always said I don't like cream highlighters, but these really intrigued me, so I wanted to try them out. It's kind of holographic looking. Look at that.
Shiny.
So I really wanted to try this out. Now, I did break my low buy to get this, but I really wanted that free shipping. Now, I did say in my low buy video that I can buy mystery boxes. So,
Yeah, no candy go.
now what is this?
It's round.
It's from the Bambi collection. It says Morning Light Pixie Puff Hot. This is a highlighter.
It's a big highlighter.
How do I open it?
You don't. That's what's so magical about it.
Well, that took forever. Okay, well, in the inside you got a little puff.
It's so poofy.
And I don't know if I want to open this. It looks kind of dark.
It's rabbit colored.
Can we tape it back up? That is what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, maybe this is a body highlighter or something. I'm just gonna close it right back up and set it to the
We'll just
side.
pretend we didn't open that
We're
one.
just gonna pretend and open up the next thing, which is a palette. Okay, it looks like it's from the ice cream collection. I've gotten something from it before, but it was a different palette. This is the Sorbet Pressed Powder Palette, and it looks a little something like that. That is very cute. The colors, I guess the colors are pretty nice and pretty.
I'd eat that.
You'd eat that?
Mhm.
Okay.
I don't know. Those kind of look like ice cream. Those are not so much, I guess.
Let's swatch this. That's what they look like. They're a cute little palette. I like it. Okay. Then we have a Colourpop's Luxe Gloss in the color Electric.
Ooh.
Okay, that looks fun.
Sounds dangerous.
Okay. It doesn't look very electric. It is sparkly.
It's kind of beige.
It looks kind of beige.
But an electric sort of beige.
It's alright, I guess. And then we got just a tint. I think I have one of these. A lip crayon, yeah. And the color Z Boys. Yeah, I like this. That is what it looks like there. Oh yeah, I like that color. I like this. That's pretty cute. Yeah, and these have a little thing that you roll up. These aren't sharpenable.
These go up and down.
These go up and down. Awesome. Like that.
They go up, they go down, whatever you're into.
And then a couple of things from Soul Body. And this is what is this? Golden Glow. Oh gosh, is this a body shimmer?
They really want you to be shimmery all over.
Oh my god, what is this? This is like a body.
You know, the middle of winter, that's always when you want to be shimmery all over.
Look at my white ass skin.
Shimmery.
A rich body oil that gives skin a tint of color and a touch of glow.
There's like 3 things in here, at least so far, that are designed to make you shimmer. They want you to shimmer up a storm.
Okay, I have no words. Okay, and another, this is a body cleansing oil, okay. And it says, what is it? A nourishing oil-based cleanser. Okay, I can get behind that.
Rub that all over and then scrape it off.
That gently yet effectively breaks up and melts away dirt, sweat, and body makeup.
Like the thing that, like the other thing.
Does it get rid? Okay. All right. Is that like something you put in your shower, or is it something you can use on your face?
I would assume that you use it in the shower since
Use it
it's
in the shower.
body oil.
Okay.
Well, though your face is part of your body. Science.
Okay, we'll put it in the shower and try it out. And then something from the Barbie collection.
Wow, Barbie and Powerpuff Girls in the same box.
I don't mind this at all. We've got some doll lashes.
There you go.
Looking right there. Those are some dramatic looking lashes. I must say. One pair of faux lashes. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items.
What's that?
I bought this.
Oh, you bought that. That's right.
I bought this separately.
What about that?
That's my coffee.
What about that?
That's a stapler.
Okay. What about that?
That's a Space Invader.
Very good.
Okay.
Was that a full-size barrette?
All right.
Now, to be fair, 9 items in a $29 box, works out to be a little over $3 an item. So I guess you can't expect it to be all like expensive stuff.
I guess. I think I'm gonna stop buying Colourpop for a while.
They've given you enough mysteries to think about.
Yeah. Some of these
The
products.
Wonder box. You wonder what they were thinking.
Yeah. Some of these things are gonna go into giveaway. So, yeah.
So there we are.
Let me know what you thought of this.
I think you'll have the right expression for the picture for the thumbnail now.
Yeah. I have no words, really. I've usually been happy with the mystery boxes. This time, not so much. I'm glad I only paid $29 and not $49.
Oh, true.
Okay. All right. I want to know your opinions here. Let me know if you've ever tried this body shimmer. I'm very interested to know.
It's like something you'd wear out, at night. You go rocket it in the street, in the club, in the street.
And if you've ever tried this Morning Light Pixie Puff highlighter. I'm sure somebody really loves this.
It's like, so you hear that music, and it's like, na 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 na. It's like you look in a meadow, and the sunlight's coming in and stuff. Then you see like the deers and rabbits sitting there with their little mirrors and powder puffs. This is what they use in the morning.
I'm glad they're thinking about people with darker skin tones than like my own. I'm happy about that. But yeah, this
And
box
also they're thinking about people who have inadequate levels of shimmer.
Yeah,
The
definitely.
shimmerly challenged.
But
The differently shimmered.
okay, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, leave a comment down below, and we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. I'm Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. And please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon.
May the blessings of the algorithm be upon you.
Just stay well until then. Okay, thanks for watching, and goodbye.